What is up to my friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you how to clear your search history on the YouTube mobile app, but if you were on desktop, it is a very similar process as well after you've got to the settings part. So obviously you're going to just open up your YouTube app to start this out. And once you're in the YouTube app, you're going to go ahead and hit your profile picture in the upper right hand corner. Keep in mind that when you are clearing your search history, you are clearing your YouTube recommendations as well. So it's going to be like you just created a new YouTube account when you're looking through the homepage of YouTube. Once you're on this screen though, about 7 options down is going to be an option to go into the settings. And then 8 options down on this screen is going to be a title titled History and Privacy. You're going to go ahead and go to that. And then the second option down is going to be able to give you the opportunity to clear your search history. It's just going to give a little blurb like I kind of already gave you on what happens once you do this. If you want to clear your watch history as well, you could do it from this screen too. It's just the one that is right above the search history there. And it's going to take a little bit to reset. As you can see, my searches were still there. But now when I go back into the search bar, it is now completely clear and all my searches have been reset on YouTube. And that is pretty much all I got for you as far as clearing your search history on YouTube goes. Like I said, if you want to clear your watch history and just clear it all, the 2-in-1, just clear it and wipe it completely clean, you could do that as well from the same screen. But if you had any questions or were confused at all on how this worked, be sure to leave a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this helpful today, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.